Hello friends, I am Divesh Rajesh More and I am pursuing MBA in Finance Specialization. So today we are discussing three statement financial model. First we are discussing introduction of that model. A three statement financial model links the income statement, balance sheet and cash flow statement into dynamically connected with each other in financial model. It is also used for scenario and sensitivity analysis. The lending utility of this model is that a single Excel file we can capture the fundamentals of three statements simultaneously. We can work in single Excel file with the help of this three statement financial model. First, income statement. This statement provides a summary of revenues, cost and expenses of entity during an accounting period, that is financial year. An income statement generally used to calculate net profit after tax of an entity. Uh, when organization use many revenues, then they are use income statement for calculating the profit, also referred to as statement of financial performance or a profit and loss statement. Next, balance sheet. Every organization can can shows the balance sheet in financial year. The balance sheet shows the status of entities including assets, liabilities and owner's equity at a point at a point in time, usually the close of the month. A balance sheet provides snapshot of the entity's financial position, including the cumulative result of the income statement and cash flow statement at a point in time. Is also called a statement of financial position. The balance sheet shows the how organization can receive and pay the money to the creditor and debtors. Cash flow statement. It shows the changes in income statement and balance sheet. It affects the cash and cash equivalent during an accounting period. A cash flow statement breaks the analysis down according to operating, investing and financial activities. It is also called cash statement of cash flow. This these three are statement using used in organization to calculate the net profit and to calculate the net profit of an accounting period. Thank you.